Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 11, replacing display module. Let's get started. We already disassembled the display module. We will install a new display module. At first, we need to remove the IC under the display ribbon. Removing the IC from old display module. Cleaning the IC connectors. Adding soldering paste. Removing existing IC from new display ribbon. Installing old display IC to new display ribbon. Assembling the phone. And that's it. We've successfully replaced the iPhone 11 display module. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.